If you have been seeking for an opportunity to, take advantage of the Hilton stays, then why haven't you considered the Hilton Honors American Express Aspire card? Oh, probably maybe you're wondering, what are the benefits that you can get from this card? All right, well, today, this review video is going to be talking about Hilton Honors American Express Aspire credit card. And I'm certain that by the time you're done, watching this review video, you will be able to make the best decision regarding this credit card. Now, in this video, I'm going to be talking about what you should know, and also I'm going to be talking about my honest opinion about this credit card, and possibly all these things are going to help you out to make the best decision. Now, welcome to this channel. My name is Maverick. Please listen to this disclaimer before you watch this video. It is very important that you know that I am not a financial advisor, and the content of this video is for educational purposes only. Now, you need to know that cashback rates, fees, and terms of credit card mentioned in this video may vary over time, and any products that I recommend in this video is for your benefit, and they do not require any additional spending from your hand. In case it's been a while that you watched this video after I've created it, kindly make sure that you go ahead and confirm all the rates and fees that I talked about in this video before you embark on taking action on this video. And it's not also bad if you also consult all the financial advisors that you trust very well before you embark on anything that I say in this video. And now let's head straight to this video tutorial. Now, the new annual fee for the Hilton Aspire is $550. Previously, it was $450, but now they have increased it to $550. Now, if you look well at the Hilton Honors American Express Aspire card, you will know that with the $200 headline credit, an extra $50 quarterly, and also with the $400 annual resort credit, an extra Concord or Wild of credit, and the FNR, then it is more than justifies the annual fee, and it doesn't really make it a problem. If you look at all the benefits there, then you will know that it's also still worth it, even if the annual fee is $550. Now, that being said, the free night certification alone can get you the annual fee back already if you also use it correctly, because you get free night certification with this card. Now, that is just a brief introduction of what the Hilton Honors American Express Aspire card is about. Let us talk about the things that you should know about this credit card. Now, the first thing is that it is good for a lot of hotel staying benefits even outside the United States. Okay, example, like someone who wants to enjoy enough honeymoon with your spouse in Asia, you can give this a try. I've seen a lot of people, who have gone to do their honeymoon with their spouse here in Japan, and they never regretted, getting this card because they enjoyed a lot of benefits, okay, even outside the United States, okay. Another thing you should know is that with the Aspire card, you get the 3 free nights every year, no matter what, with no spending, okay. So you get 3 free nights every year with no spending, although you will need to reach automatic diamond status with settling your fees. So for you to be eligible for these 3 free nights every year, then you need to be able to reach the diamond status, and also you have to settle all your fees. All right, another thing you should know is that you also get $750 as a resort credit, and even $750 for the airline incidental. Okay, so that is another point that you should take note of. And another thing that I see about this card that a lot of people don't know is that you get several point bonus for Hilton and the FNSC. Okay, you also need to know that there are a lot of changes that happens from time to time, but it still doesn't make their reward and perks to be bad. Okay, they have several changes from time to time. That is what a lot of their users complain about, but their perks and benefits are still worth it. Okay, and also they just changed the look of the card. Okay, you can see the sleek design right there. So than before, although some users complain that they love the previous look, however, I think the new look is great. Okay, so you can see the previous look right there on the screen, and you can see the new look right down the screen. So but I feel like the new look is more sleek than the previous one, but some other users have said no, they prefer the previous one than the new one. So let us know in the comment box whichever one you prefer, either the previous design or the new design. Okay, now that is it about the things you should know about the Hilton Honors American Express Aspire card. Let's talk about my honest thoughts, what I think about this card, and some of the things that you might want to consider before you go ahead and apply for this card. Now, the first thing is that it might not be encouraging for someone who doesn't patronize resort staying. Okay, so in case you're the kind of person that you don't really like hotels with enough entertainment or recreation or luxuries, especially in the United States, if you're not a luxury person, then you won't enjoy much point. Okay, if you're just this introvert that you don't really go out, you just want things smooth life, okay, so you might not get a lot of points with this card. But if you're the kind of person that you like luxury, you like the resort staying, you like entertainment, recreation, you want that kind of hotel whereby there is beach and there is pools around you where you can have fun, do a lot of stuff, then you're gonna enjoy a whole lot with this card. And from any country that you're in, maybe you travel to any country, you will surely keep enjoying a whole lot with this card. That was the first thing that I see about this card. And the second is that, which is from my honest thought, is if you have good income, then you can use the luxury benefit to accumulate points with this card, and you can now use the points that you get to enjoy more time in other countries. That is what a lot of users do. Okay, this is one of the trick they use, whereby if in case they have a good income, maybe like if you earn like $30,000 monthly and or even more, this is even if you don't earn up to that also, but you have a good income level, okay, maybe possibly you earn $10,000. So with that, okay, you can enjoy a whole lot. You can spend and use the luxury benefits. Okay, so with this way you accumulate points, and whenever you travel out to another country, you can use those points for yourself without having to incur any further costs. Okay, also it is very useful for Asian trips, and you can enjoy full benefits as a traveler. So in case you travel to Asia, then it's a good one for Asian trips. Okay, I've seen a lot of people use this for Asian trips. A lot of United States citizens use this for Asian trips, and they really enjoy the whole lot. And another thing is it's majorly good for expensive spenders. Okay, also in case you're not even in the United States, if you have this card available in your country, then you also enjoy a whole benefit. Okay, so it's not only United States. Okay, and just like I said, the another opinion I see is that it is majorly good for expensive spenders. So it will cost you over $15,000 or more in spending, and paying your debt for you to reach high status for major benefits with this card. So for you to reach diamond status and more, you need to spend a whole lot on luxuries. Okay, enjoy a lot of resort services. So that is the way you get more points with this card. Okay, but if you don't have such money to spend, then you won't really see this card worth it. Okay, so this card is for people who are expensive spenders, who have high income, then you get a whole lot of benefits, okay, from this card. So that is what I've been able to see with this. Okay, and another thing is that I do not recommend this for low income earners. So you can try out the surpass card. Okay, in case your income level is low, you can try out the surpass card. You can try it out, and possibly you can use that one in case you are a low income earner. All right, also this is overall good for leisure travelers. Okay, in case you're a leisure traveler, it is very, very good. All right, so just know that you enjoy much benefits, okay, if you're a leisure traveler. Okay, and also I see them charging less for more benefits, and expensive spenders have enough to enjoy here. All right, so don't see like maybe this is too much. Okay, I see these people charging less for a lot of benefit that they offer their user. But if you are just a low income earner, you might not see this as something huge. Okay, you might feel like, oh, this things are too much, but the fact is that you might even feel like the annual fee is too much for $550. But if you look at the benefits, then it is very much worth it. Okay, because there are a lot of benefits, a lot of points to get with this card. So that is it I have to say about this credit card. That is the things you have to know, and that is some of the things I've been able to see with this card from people that I know that use it, and also from other people that I've been able to ask. Okay, because me doing all these things, I need to ask a lot of people some questions regarding the card, how their experience with it, and also experience for people that I know that are using the card. Okay, so this has been able to help me know very much about this card, and that is why I've created this tutorial on it. Now, if you've used this card before, maybe you're using it, you can let us know what you feel about this card. And if you know any other credit card that offers something more like this with a lesser annual fee, and you can let us know in the comment box. I'm certain that it will help a whole lot of people. Even if you're a low income earner and you don't you don't really have much time for luxury, then you don't want to go for this. Okay, so or possibly you want to be a high income earner who enjoy luxury. Okay, even if you're an high income earner and you don't enjoy luxury, then you won't get much points. Okay, you just see yourself being ripped up. So it's better you try another card. Okay, so this is for people who are expensive spenders. Okay, high income earner and expensive spender, they have the time to enjoy a lot of luxuries, and they have enough time to use their points very well. Okay, so that is it I have to say. Let me know your thoughts in the comment box. I'm always happy to read thoughts. Thank you very much for your time. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review tutorials just like this. And also whenever I do my credit card tutorials, it's going to help you to get notified by you hitting the bell icon. Okay, and also give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people out there who might be needing tutorials regarding credit card. Thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.